So as you can see on our screen, we've created our rectangle or our square. We've created a circle. We've created a couple of polylines. What we're going to do next is we're going to use the trim tool. And if you move up here to the top section in the vector creation section, you'll see that this pair of scissors with a line, basically it's a pair of scissors appearing to be cutting a line, and that's exactly what the tool does. I'm going to click on trim vectors, and you'll notice as I move my cursor back onto my workspace, my cursor is now changed into a pair of scissors. And it's kind of a handy indication of what we're about to see happen here. The other thing that you're going to notice is that as I move the scissors over a line, you can see the scissors open up. And basically that's letting me know I'm locked onto that line. So now when I left mouse click, it cuts away that line. What we're going to do is we're going to trim away all of the lines that we don't want. And what we want to have left when we're done is this line to the start of this internal radius, and this line down to here. Everything else we want to get rid of. So we're just going to trim away, getting rid of all of these other lines until all we're left with. Take that one away. We'll take out this one in the middle, right here. And so that's what we're left with, is that external corner. Now, when we're done with this tool, we have a couple of options, because as you can see, if I wanted to use my cursor right now, if I was going to click on anything, I would cut it away, and I don't want to do that. So I have two options. One option is I can just click this X and close that tool. The other option is if I click on this select tool, then I have my selection cursor back, and then I can carry on. The other thing I want to point out is you'll notice that I did not choose the auto join function in the tool. The auto join function is actually a very, very helpful function, because what it would have done is it would have created these three vectors and joined them as I was trimming them. So I'd only have one vector. All three of these sections would be connected. Now I didn't do that for this particular training module, and you'll see why here in a second. But in most cases you would use the auto join function, because in almost all cases you want the three vectors to be joined. So I'm just going to close this tool and move on to the next video.